help balance energy centers and mind state. Then we transition to primordial sound meditation, or inner sound, otherwise called nada yoga. Ancient Indian metaphysical and philosophical systems, as well as contemporary sound healing medicine, hold the premise that the entire cosmos and all that exists, including human beings, consist of vibrating energy of vibration, or vibration simply called nada. And it's from this energy of vibration that the whole building block of the cosmos exists, including matter, including our own physical form and being. So I invite you now to begin coming to a standing position, feet a little more than hip width apart. You'll bring arms up, rotating at the elbows, and on the exhale, bring energy down out through the soles of the feet as the hands descend. You will place the pointer finger and tip of the thumb of your left hand behind your back. And on exhale, bending over the left leg. You want your knee and toes pointed in the same direction to avoid any unnecessary pain in the knees. But on your in-breath, the arm goes back in rotation, and then like throwing a ball, it comes forward again. And on the exhale, the palm scoops down as you bend forward over that front leg. In-breath, hand comes up, palm faces skyward, comes behind you. And on the exhale, like throwing a ball, palm facing up, hand comes across the body. Exhale, behind you as you bend forward. In-breath, rising back up, and like holding a tray. And then exhale, like throwing a ball. Bending over that front leg. Exhale, coming back up. Hand returns behind you. Exhale, hand comes back. We're making like a yin or yang type movement in that symbol. If you can see the hand in the air tracing. We'll come to center now. On an in-breath, bringing both arms up, bending at the elbows. Exhale, palms down, directing any stress or tension into earth through the soles of the feet. We'll switch the other hand now, pointer finger and thumb touching behind the back. On an in-breath, forward fold over the other leg. In-breath, coming back up. Arm glazes behind you. Exhale, throwing the ball. Now a plate or platter of light. Exhale, bending forward over that leg. On an in-breath, palm comes up. Exhale. Coming into a forward fold. Breathing in, hand comes up again to glide, palm facing skyward, reaching behind you. Exhale, across the front body, and then exhale, forward fold. If you can flow all the movement with one breath as you go across the body, and then another breath as you bend forward, that's fine, but you don't have to synchronize movement and the breath. We'll bring both hands down by the sides. And now both arms come skyward, And then exhale, palms help direct or infuse freshness, life force through your being. Infusing like a waterfall, and then any stress draining out into earth through the feet. Hands come together in front of the lower dantian. And breathe. We transition now to our seated Nada Yoga or Primordial sound meditation. I invite you to take a chair, come to a comfortable seated posture, feet on the floor, shoulders back, heart vibrant. Draw the chin back slightly to help make the whole spine straight. As a preliminary, if you've never done this before, I invite you to cover your ears with your hands, and you'll hear that oceanic type sound, but also a very subtle, high pitch. It's not tinnitus. It's this high pitch, and it's okay if you don't hear it now. It will come to you. But take your hands down now and see if you can hone in. It's an interior sound, a vibrational type quality. This has been used for thousands of years as the perch. For giving a place for awareness to rest. You may find it helpful to focus just on this primordial sound, the sound within the silence that's always there. Or you may find it helpful to combine this awareness with a very gentle, untethered anchor point in the body, say behind the throat or at the brow, behind the heart space or the lower belly area.
If your mind wanders, no big deal. Bring it back to this very subtle sound within the silence. And if you can't hear it, return to the anchor or perch within the body, and that sound awareness will develop over time. Being vast, spacious, I invite you now to continue this inner sound or vibrational awareness while opening the eyes. Check in to see if you can still hear or possibly feel this inner sound. With eyes open, practicing for a few moments how this can be a very centering way of going throughout your day, using it as a perch to rest upon, to return to, for that moment of stillness, equanimity, peace, this larger, vaster sense of self, the one reality of which we all beings are part.